Hi and welcome to Outwell and to their Nirvana self-inflating mats. You can see here that we have two styles within the collection, which is a single and a double version. Both of these mats are 7.5 centimeters in thickness, but you'll see that the single is called a 7.5 XL. Now the XL just highlights that this single mat here is actually 75 centimeters in width, so it's a little bit wider than the industry standard for self-inflating mats, of course, just giving you that extra little bit of comfort. In terms of construction, we're using a delamination-proof TPU construction here, so these are really built to last, should last you a good long time, but they're also built to give you maximum levels of comfort as well. A lot of that comes down to what we're using on the top surface here. So this is a stretch polyester material, so if I just push down on this, you should be able to see that the material on top here actually does stretch when you lie down on it, making it really comfortable for a good night's sleep. So here you can see that we're using a double valve system on both of these items here. So that's going to allow for really quick and easy inflation and deflation. I also just want to highlight, if you can see here, that we are actually using brass valves as well. So again, these are also built to last, very good quality valves on here. So within the Nirvana self-inflating mats, we actually do put in some horizontal coring all the way along the edges here. And what that allows for is when you roll it up and pack it down, it's going to pack down that little bit smaller and of course be that little bit lighter in weight as well. So finally, I just want to highlight the bags that these can be packed down into that come with the self-inflating mats. These are our fast fit carry bags, so they're a little bit different to sort of standard pack bags that you might get for self-inflating mats. The reason they're different is we have this split down here, which we can easily just open up by taking the toggle at the top like this, and that way you can easily roll up the self-inflating mats and pop them in here instead of trying to squash them into a really tight bag. Then once they're in there, all we need to do is just tighten the toggle at the top, and that will keep everything safely in place. So I just want to highlight here that we do have some optional extras available for all of our self-inflating mats from Outwell, with the exception of the Dreamcatcher compact version. We have our comfort essentials here. Now this includes two different types of covers. We have the stretch sheet like this one here, and we also have the quilted cover like this one here. Obviously the quilted cover is going to give you that little bit more comfort because it is actually padded on top of the self-inflating mat, and of course the stretch sheet here is going to give you more comfort and a softer feel on top of your self-inflating mat, both of which are also machine washable at home as well. So there you have it, that's all the features of our Nirvana self-inflating mats. Thanks very much for watching.